So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Midjourney's image generator for free, as well as all of the style references, which in my opinion is one of the best things about Midjourney compared to other image generators. And I'm also going to show you how you can animate videos for free as well. So just for context, a couple of months ago, Meta announced that they're partnering with Midjourney to license its aesthetic technology for models and products. And what I have discovered is Meta are basically running the Midjourney model under the hood at meta.ai, and I am going to prove it to you. Right, so I am on Midjourney here. This is my account, and I have run this longish prompt here to generate these kind of close-up female images. And I went to meta.ai and I ran exactly the same prompt, and would you look at that? These are the same women. This is from the same data set, and I was like, okay, is this right? Is this wrong? And just to kind of prove it to you, I also ran the same prompt on free pick for Seed Dream and Nano Banana, and as you can see, these are different women. These are different women. If we just go back to here, you know, it's night and day. And then I tried a really shorter prompt here. These were the Midjourney images. These are the ones on Meta. Like, come on, you can just see it straight there. And then I went on to free pick. I did exactly the same. This was the Nano Banana one, all over the place. This is the Seed Dream one. Like, these are like the same image models. Like, this is the Midjourney model on meta.ai, and it's completely free. There are probably some differences, yes, but like, you can just see it there. And then I tried as well a bus, as you can see here, 4 different images, did it on Meta, boom. Like, that is the bus, that is the bus on Midjourney. These are the same models, or more or less the same model. Again, I tried it on free pick with Nano Banana and Seed Dream. Like, these kind of look similar to each other, but nothing like that. And I was like, wow, this is fantastic, because you can now basically access Midjourney for free, and you can also basically animate these images as well. If you just click on one and click animate, this then created this subtle animation here, which the Midjourney model is really, really good at. I actually don't know how many video generations you get a day. I couldn't find any information on it. There'll definitely be a cap, but I don't know what that cap is. And then the final thing, which is arguably the most valuable thing, is you can access style references. So for those of you who don't know, style references on Midjourney are basically how you can get like these consistent sort of theme aesthetics across the same image. It's like a style reference code that you apply to the end of the prompt on Midjourney, and it's one of the best things about Midjourney in my opinion, because most other image generators don't have this ability. And so if we go to Meta here, and I'm just going to go and find a random style reference code from one of just the Midjourney style reference libraries. So I'm going to take this one here, copy the style reference code, go over to Meta, and what I'm going to go down here is go on aesthetic, and I'm going to paste this in here. What I'm then going to describe is, I'm just going to go for something simple. I learned this from Drew Brucker. He said when testing style codes, go for like simple 1-word, 2-word prompts. And the examples that he gave me were album art and skull. So if I just type in album art and click generate, as you can see here, that is that style reference. Let's just take this one here, copy style reference, go down here, paste it in here, and then I'm just going to try skull. And there we have it. If we check back at the style reference, it's not exactly the same, I will say that. Maybe it just didn't like the skull. Let's just try album art, generate. Okay, this seems to have done a lot better job, especially on this one. If we just take a look at this image and look at the style reference, like you can see here, that and this, you know, yeah, that has definitely impacted the style. And this is just fantastic news for everyone, because it now means that you can take advantage of all of the Midjourney style references and apply them to your images using meta.ai.